proud moment for Goa and our Goan chess fraternity. Our third GM elect, Ethan was at very young age. It is a very extremely happy situation for all of us, and I hope he goes still further, and whatever support we from Aisa Goa Chess Division or from Chess Fraternity, we are there for to help you. And we are doing one felicitation function for our young prodigy, this GM elect in this near future. Hopefully, there is a felicitation program from government also, and they will be announcing some package to Ethan, and hope he reaches his goal of world champion. So he reaches his goal of world champion very soon. We want to see him progressing, and I wish him all the best.
Yeah, it's always a pleasure to receive Ethan Vaz when he comes like winning trophies, and now it's a special occasion that he is a Grandmaster, and now currently India's youngest Grandmaster, and I'm told second youngest in the world too. This boy always has shown the promise, and he has lived up to the expectations of so many of his well-wishers, and now the added pressure is there on him to grow further. Maybe one day definitely become world champion. That is all that we hope for. Achieving so many laurels at such a young age is a tremendous feat. Of course, a lot of effort goes behind that, and a lot of resources also are required. I appeal to the people of Goa to support him as he moves ahead in life and aims to be world champion one day.
We are extremely thrilled that Ethan has accomplished all the requirements to become a Grandmaster, making him the current youngest Grandmaster in India and the second youngest Grandmaster in the world currently. It has been Ethan's childhood dream to become a Grandmaster, and today to see him having achieved that is a very, very proud moment for not only the family, not only for the chess fraternity in Goa or in India, but throughout the world, for all the fans and supporters and well-wishers of Ethan. We are extremely grateful the way Ethan's journey has unfolded, and we are thankful to everyone who has supported Ethan along the way. Ethan's coaches, Grandmaster Swayams Mishra and Grandmaster Srinath Narayanan, and Ethan's favorite all-time coach, Prakash Vikram Singh sir, who has coached him right from the beginning. And coached him even until he became an international master, and he is always with him. We are very thankful to all the sponsors and donors who have supported Ethan along the way. Gino, Health Chess Foundation, ChessBase India, The King School, Group E4, Chola Chess Academy, all our donors and supporters who have supported Ethan along the way through his crowdfunding campaign. And I just hope I haven't missed anybody, but in one word I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who has supported Ethan along the way, and we couldn't have been happier today. And Ethan's success is not just our success, but it's a success for everyone who has supported Ethan along the way. Thank you so much, and God bless you everyone.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ईथन एंड हिज पेरेंट्स, और ये मोमेंट बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि हम लोग पिछले 7-8 साल से ये एक ड्रीम की तरह था कि हम लोग सोचते थे कि ईथन ग्रैंड मास्टर बनेगा। कभी कभी ऐसा लगता था टफ भी है, क्योंकि बीच में हमारा 1-2 साल कोविड, क्योंकि हम ड्रीम देखते थे वर्ल्ड का यंगेस्ट ग्रैंड मास्टर बने, लेकिन 1-2 साल हमारा कोविड में चला गया, कोविड आ गया उस समय। लेकिन फिर उसके बाद कंटिन्यूसली ईथन ने डेडिकेशन के साथ, पेशेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है और पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट है, तो कंटिन्यूस लगा रहा। 7-8 साल 9 साल लग गए मतलब ग्रैंड मास्टर जर्नी अचीव करने के लिए, तो बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है। और बिकॉज ऑफ ईथन नॉट ओनली गोवा, ऑल ओवर इंडिया के लिए प्राउड मोमेंट है। और आई विश वेरी सून ईथन विल क्रॉस द 2600 and 2700 club and he'll become the one of the strongest grandmaster from India and also achieve his world champion title. Okay, और ईथन के ग्रैंड मास्टर बनने की वजह से मुझे 200% श्योर है कि आने वाली जो जनरेशन है वो भी चेस को परस्यू करेगी और इंस्पिरेशन लेगी ईथन से. So best of luck, Ethan. My best wishes is always with Ethan. Okay, congratulations.
Very happy on Goa Chess Association that Ethan was has completed all his GM norms and rating, and we are sure that he will go on to become much more in the years ahead. He has already won. He has come third now in the Serbia Open, with ahead of grandmasters like GM Guha and Pranav Anand, and that shows his ability. And I am sure that now that he has completed his grandmaster title qualifications, he will go on to become at a much higher level, aiming to become the world champion at some time in the future.
Yeah, I'm feeling very great that I became a GM. It has been my childhood dream since I started playing chess that I wanted to become a GM. I'm very grateful that I've been able to accomplish it, and very thankful to everyone who come here to celebrate my victory with me. Thank you.
love you a lot. Congratulations and celebration. We want the world to know how happy I can be. Congratulations and jubilation. We want the world to know how happy you can be. Ta-da-ta-da-ta.
Thank you for all the blessings.
Thank you everyone for all the blessings.
देवान तुझे आशीर्वाद घालून आपल्या मोगात तुका सांभाळून तुझे आपले मुगा मोड मागून सोतोसानी शांती तुका दिवून देवान तुझे आशीर्वाद घालून आपल्या मोगात तुका सांभाळून तुझे आपले मोगा मोड फाकून संतोषानी शांती तुका दिवूं आणि फ्युचराक तूं बरो व्हडलो मनीस जावं.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.